Good morning, guys! Ano ba yan? Oy, si Dan, ano niya? Sa TV yung video ko, iniinis niya ako kanina. Umalis siya, pumunta siya ng ng shops. Kasi, naubusan siya ng maple syrup. And magpa-pancake siya. So, yun. Bibili lang siya ng maple syrup. Tapos, nagpabili na din ako ng, patatas, guys. Kasi corn beef, yung binili ko kay na Ate Cheryl. Ano ba to? Yung remote, hindi nag-work ng maayos. So, I'm just cooking rice. And then, yung lulutuin natin, guys, Delimundo ranch style na corn beef. Ito. Try natin. Malaki to. Pero okay lang. And my rice is cooking. Mag-ano muna ako ng onion, garlic, at saka pagdating ni Dan, patatas. Yung lulutuin naman ni Dan, pancake. Pancake yung sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, ito na lang sana yung corn beef. Ayun niya, pancake siya. Brunch na sa akin to, guys, kasi 11 na ng umaga. He's back, people! Babe, say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
Anyway, guys, nandito na yung aking, potato. Ano pala ngayon? Holiday! Hindi lahat ng shops open. Pero buti na lang, merong open malapit dito sa bahay namin. So, yun. Ipil ko lang itong tomato while Dan is cooking. I don't like our peeler.
Better?
No, tsaka.
It is. Very possible, so. Yeah. Is that better about that?
Yeah, it's oil. Can you show them? Nag-build up yung oil, guys. No, it's meant to be like that. That's alright. I'm cooking it.
Okay.
At Lyra's place. Did you try that? The corned beef? Oh, you didn't?
No, I can't remember.
Ah. Kasi di ba guys, napunta kami kina Lyra nung may breakfast siya na corned beef. Did you put water into the coffee as well?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Did you stir it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay guys, lagay ko na yung onion. Gagamit ako ng ibang. Hindi pa kasi yung tapos si Dan. Magluluto pa yan ng more pa. Ano siya? Luto, kain. Luto, kain. Onion, garlic. Yan guys, so maya-maya lang isusunod ko na yung potato natin. I'm not sure kung ubusin ko yung isang whole ng potato, pero yeah, I have half. And then ito yung Delimundo ranch style corned beef. Itsura niya guys, pero yeah, mamaya it will look better. And Dan is cooking more pancakes. Yummers. Actually, ilagay ko na. Can you help me put that here, please? My
Put it where?
potatoes here. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think that's enough. Tapos lagay natin yung corned beef maya pag na parang medyo lumambot na yung potato. And Dan's pancake. Hello, people. What pancake is this? The Greens pancake shake. Buttermilk. And where's your
Your what?
yeah, maple syrup. Is that the good one?
It's alright.
Pure Canadian maple syrup. Baby! Wow! Lagyan na natin yung corned beef, guys. El Paso. Delimundo pala. Delimundo. Saan galing yung El Paso? Yan. Sabi ni ate, parang meron daw nagsabi sa kanya na ito yung ginagamit na corned beef sa like, isang fast food sa Philippines. Hindi siya sure kung ano yun. Pero sabi niya parang Jollibee daw. Or, sino ba nag-serve ng corned beef na fast food sa Philippines? Guys? Hindi ko din sure. Hindi ko din kasi alam. Pero sabi niya, itong corned beef na to daw yung gamit. Okay, so we'll see kung masarap, guys. Hindi ko pa natikman yun eh. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan fast food. Pero, this should be good. Looks like that now. Medyo ano siya ha, oily. Pero okay lang yan. Hintayin lang natin na maluto yung potato, and that's it. That's it for the breakfast. Medyo chunky siya, guys, oh. I like to break it. Ito na yung breakfast ko, guys. Yummers. You wanna try it?
No.
No, just try. I'll give you corned beef. And rice, onion.
I don't want much rice, babe.
Not much rice.
Not much rice. I do.
Airplane. It's hot. Yummers, right? So good. It's good.
6 out of 10.
Oh, shut it.
6 out of 10.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nah, it's good. How do you rate your pancake?
7. They're not the best today.
Your pancake?
Yeah.
It's alright.
But I still prefer my pancake over that. That's alright though.
So good.
You like it? Oh, that's the main thing.
Sarap, guys. Kain tayo, guys.
What do you want to do today, Mama? Do you have anything planned?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Not doing anything. Gotta wash your car. Go do some washing.
Oh, washing, yeah. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We'll go to your mom's house. She will cook spaghetti. No, not spaghetti. Pasta with meatballs. Yummers. Sobrang sarap ng meatballs niya, guys. Grabe.
You gonna try mine next?
Nah.
What?
Nah, I already know what it tastes like. I don't like pancakes at all. Chaka looking pancake. It's burnt.
Let's look at that.
It is. Wala pa rin tatalo sa rice. Hindi ko talaga magets yung pancake tapos lagyan ng maple syrup na parang sobrang tamis na.
How much do you reckon that was?
How much?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's expensive because it's glass. $10?
The glass?
It's glass, yeah. See?
Oh.
$10?
Yeah, $9.
$9? Yeah.
Doesn't taste like $9 value though.
Really? Which one was the better one? Do you remember the brand?
Yeah.
Which one is that?
I don't know what the brand's called, but I remember what it looks like.
No. Even tuna, so that one's really good. How was breakfast, babe?
It's okay.
Not the best?
My avocado thing's better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not the best pancake?
Not the best.
And maple syrup?
Nah, not the best.
Siya na bahala sa dishes, guys. And then I'll take care of the laundry.
How's your breakfast?
It was really good. Thank you very much. Thanks for asking, Malang. The weather looks alright. It's windy. Nakita niyo yung mga bamboo natin? But I think it's gonna be cold. Wala na yung mga bamboo na sticks na tas yung mga weeds din, wala na, guys. Malinis na. Pati yung labas namin, malinis na. So now, it's time for me to do the laundry. Si Dan, binan ko na to sa laundry, guys. Kasi wala. Kahit na anong sabihin mo, hindi niya pa rin makuha-kuha yung Kapag siya kasi naglo-laundry, ewan ko sa kanila siguro sa yung mga lalaki ganun talaga. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Ang daming powder. Nakikita nyo? Wait. Nakikita nyo yan? Ang daming powder. And nung dito, tapos yung dito, guys, sobrang daming powder niyan dito. And ayoko yun kasi parang nag-aano siya. Habang tumatagal, nagiging tsaka siya tingnan. So, nilinis ko na siya. Pero, after niya mag-laundry a couple times, ang daming powder dito. Tapos dito nalalagyan din ng powder. Dapat fabric conditioner lang yan. Tapos basta ang dumi-dumi. So, sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, hindi ka na pwede mag-laundry. Kung mag-laundry ka man, ako maglalagay ng sabon. Kasi for the past week, guys, maraming beses kami nag-laundry and tinutulungan niya ako kasi nga winter na, ang dami na naming nagle-layer up kami ng clothes. So, minsan, 2-3 layers ng clothes. So, mas marami kaming nag-laundry, diba? Usually, we only do laundry once, sometimes twice a week. Ngayon, maraming beses na, like 3 times a week. Minsan,
So yun, and tinutulungan niya ako kasi sabi niya, ako naman ngayon kasi ikaw kahapon ganun. Ginagawa niya naman yung best niya, kaya lang sabi ko, okay ka lang tumulong, ako na lang maglagay ng powder. Kasi bakit hindi mo yan ma-shoot-shoot? Eh, ang laki kaya nang lalagyan ng powder, tapos hindi ma-shoot, tapos ang kalat-kalat. So sabi niya, ikaw na nga tinutulungan. Ikaw pagalit. Sabi ko, wag na. Ikaw na lang maglagay, mag-load ng mga damit. Pero ako na bahala sa sabon. At saka ito. Kasi ito, hindi niya din ma-shoot-shoot, guys. It goes all over the place. Tapos, kapag ito at saka yung powder, nag-mix-mix dyan, namumuo. Tapos, wala, ayoko. Ayan, ilagyan ko na siya ng powder. Wala pang ang damit. Kunin natin yung mga guys, damit. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
My girlfriend is hot.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was freak like me?
She's freakier.
Don't you? Don't you? Guys, punta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Danny Boy. Dinner. Kasi aalis sila. When are they leaving?
Tomorrow for.
Oh, really?
I think so.
For 3 weeks? Is it?
Yeah, it's on that.
Yeah, alis sila, guys. So, sabi ng mama niya, I want to see you guys before I go. Ganyan yung mama niya, may mga ganyan ganap. So, magpa-family dinner kami. Kasama yung kuya ni Dan, yung kambal ni Dan, mga ganyan. Hugasan sana ni Dan yung sasakyan, kaya lang hindi na kasi umulan eh. Hugasan na ni Rain yung aming car. She will cook meatballs. Hindi man lang ako nagliptin to eh. Tapos ginamit ko yung keratin na bigay sa akin ni Roslyn. Thank you, Roslyn. Keratin hair treatment ata yun. I remember I used that before and sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Pero tiningnan ko yung sachet ng keratin na gamit ko ngayon. It says it's made in the Philippines. And I don't think yung na-try ko noon is made in the Philippines. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna look it up because I think it's made in Thailand. And if it is, then, you know, gusto kong bumili ng marami when we go. Keratin hair treatment ba yun? I-search ko lang siya tapos tingnan ko kung saan yun galing. You're speeding, babe. Look at this, so good. Yummers, guys. Ilalagay niya to sa oven maya. Diyan. And then we have meatballs. Yummers. And then garlic bread din. Ito ang sarap nito. Niluto ko ito kinakat noon eh. So yan. Yan mo sa dip. You texting her? So he's
got a tooth.
Oh really?
He's got a tooth.
Bottom?
Yes, earlier than Eli.
Oh, how old is he?
He turned 5 months. What's the date today?
11?
No. He turned 5 months in March, so he turned.
He's got a tooth, babe.
He's got a tooth. His first tooth on the bottom. I did Pete's hair. I did a couple of yesterday. Yeah, but I do it.
The what?
I did Pete's hair.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I was
You had a haircut.
around her nice and it's around the sides and the neck and everything.
Yeah.
Makes the bread harder. So it closes it a bit.
Yum. I'm editing.
Raz is filming you.
Oh, that's okay. I've got my old clothes on, Raz.
It's alright.
And I've got my makeup on. And
Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't have makeup on either.
Let's interview Mum.
you married Raz. Now, how did you find such a lovely girl?
Internet.
That puts up
Internet.
with you. And all your bad ways.
What's the best thing about your daughter-in-law?
She's kind, she's gentle, she's loving, and she puts up with you.
Describe her in one word.
She's been drinking. Thank you.
Who do you love more, me or Raz?
Equal. I'll always love you guys.
Oh!
No, because
1 point.
you care about me. You're a pain in the ass, but you care about me.
End of the interview.
And that's it. Footy. Ready na siya, guys. Galing na siya sa oven. Sarap. I want that as well.
That?
Yes, thank you very much.
That's warm. So it's okay. It's not doing enough.
Yan. Ganyan.
This is different to what I normally have it as.
Thank you.
Let's spinach.
No.
Guys, ano na? Hindi na ako lumabas kasi ang lamig pero nililinis na Dan yung car. Yan. Kasi hindi naman umulan ng bonggang-bongga kanina. So, medyo madumi pa siya. So, yan. Tapos maya-maya i-rinse na yan, guys. Diyan si Tiny Boy. Sarap ng dinner. Kanina gusto pa sana ng mama ni Dan. Magdala kami ng meatballs kasi meron pa natira. Kaya lang meron akong pambaon bukas kasi na-prepare ko na. Yung corned beef ko, guys, kanina. Yun yung baon ko bukas. Sayang din naman kasi. So, yeah. At least yung leftover na nasa bahay nila. Like, doon na lang, diba? Kaysa naman ilabas, dalhin sa amin, tas hindi makain. Sobrang cute ng anak ng kambal ni Dan. Dalawa na yung lalaki niya, guys. Tapos yung isa, 5 months. Actually, maaga pa, guys. It's only 6:14. Umalis kami dun, wala pang 6. Siguro mga 6 minutes before 6. Kasi may trabaho yung mga tao bukas. And aalis sila sa Thursday pa pala. Hindi pala bukas. Akala kasi namin bukas sila aalis. And they will be gone for 3 weeks. Good job. Bahay na kami, guys. I'll just do 1 more load of washing. I think kailangan ng 2 more eh. Kaya lang siguro 1 muna. Kasi yung mga puti, ayan na lang yan. Kasi hindi pa ganun kadami eh. And hindi naman kailangan gamitin agad-agad. So, ito na muna. Yung natira from kanina, 4 days. And then off na naman. Weekend. And then, punta kami Melbourne. Kapag nagtatrabaho ka, it's good na may mga holidays kayo na nakabook para mailo-look forward ka ba? Para gusto mo na matapos agad yung araw kasi mailo-look forward ka na trip. Para hindi naman ganun ka hectic, diba guys? Na puro na lang trabaho. Is there anything else that we need to wash? Your clothes, sige. Wow. You're wearing your shorts. You're running. Are you not wearing those shorts?
No, I'm not running shorts.
Okay. Tatakbo daw siya, guys. Kahit ang lamig-lamig. You know what? Gamitin kaya natin yung lomo. Gamitin natin yung lomo, guys. Tingnan natin kung... Ay! Oh my gosh, Oh boy, tanga-tanga. Tingnan natin kung worth it ba itong kanyang presyo. Hindi pa naman ubos yung surf ko. Walang bango, ha? In fairness sa kanya. Sabi niya, amazing stain removal daw. First time. Amazing stain removal. First time. Ang bango niya. Hindi pa naman ubos yung surf, pero malapit na maubos. Yung video na in-upload ko kanina dun sa bahay ng mama niya, sobrang bilis na guys, na-upload. Bilis na internet ng mama niya. Grabe. Siguro wala pa 1 oras na-upload na yung video. Tapos 25 minutes kaya yun. Galing. Malakas na din naman yung internet namin. Mabilis na din. Pero hindi kasing bilis ng kanila. Yung kanila... What the heck? What happened? Nangyari sa'yo. The door is open daw. Bakit kasi open yung door? Guys, nakalimutan ko kayo ng slide. Pero nood lang ako ng mga videos, like mga haul galing Bangkok, para, yeah, may alam naman ako ng slide before ako matulog. I'm pretty sure makakatulog ako before ko matapos yung mga video. Pero, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Kasi nung pumunta kami nung Sabado sa Binyag, sabi talaga ng asawa ni Devenda na, yeah, like, okay na okay daw talaga yung shopping dun. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. But I will close this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Bye, babe.
Good night.
Mwah.